What is up, you guys? I think we are live on YouTube. Let me just get this. Let me crypto pump. Go live on TikTok real quick, and then let's add this back. All right, let me pull this out and boom. Pull this over here. What is up? All right, let's pull this up on the chat here. Be like water. What up, brother? I think you guys like this one. Had a monster green day. And I don't even know what I did with my hat. There's no time. There's no times for hats in a time like this. Can you guys hear me okay? So this could be a this could have invalidated my theory here. Crazy pump today. But ultimately, we are still ranging. See that? Literally got rejected off of it. This pump is low volume. Scary times. We're still technically ranging right here, guys. Until we get above this right here, which we literally nailed it on the head. Let's see what the RSI is looking like. I really not have. So on the daily, across the upside, it's like it's high, but it's not crazy high. Y'all being fooled by these fake pumps. Yeah, we're still in a range right here. So until we get body closes above this, where we literally got the tip to at 25.3, until we get body closes above this, Be Like Water says, I think we see new lows this year, in my opinion. Well, if that were to happen, that would be something that's never happened before. Okay. Because if we go over here to Ethereum, right? And it's not that it's impossible. Anything is possible under the sun, right? Anything is possible in the matrix. But right here, this was 8 months ago. Never have we went more than like 3 months in crypto. Currently, we're at 240. I'm going to call it 200. Let me do this again. So Ethereum has not made a new low in 244 days. This is 8 months. Okay, anything is possible under the matrix, right? However, if it were to come down and make a new low, this would be something that's never happened in history. And even for Bitcoin, it's been what are we at? Since November. So it would be even strange for Bitcoin. Anything's possible under the matrix, but this is 90 days to set a new low. It's possible. Anything is possible. But I think that the bottom is in. I think we're going to backtest these ranges right here at some point. I think we're going to come back to 18.3 is probably the most likely landing spot before going on to a relief rally. But the relief rally to me is confirmed. Let me just get all this. The relief rally to me is confirmed. We're at a big spot right now. We could easily roll back over like so. But the relief rally to me is confirmed once we start trading above this. And I'm not talking wicks. I'm talking body closes above this right here is the confirmation, in my opinion, that this is about to ensue, which is to about 38K, 40K, as high as 50K. Everyone in this moment in time, they're going to think that the bull market is back on. But in my opinion, we're going to roll right back over and back test this prior support before then going off and away in 2024 for the next bull run. Now, I think that this move is going to play out. This right here is going to play out sometime before May. There's a saying in the stock market, sell in May and walk away. And I think that that is exactly what's going to happen. Did I miss? I think I missed the close. So we closed at 24. I tried to get out here before the close, but I missed it. I missed it, y'all. That's okay. Yeah, so sell in May and walk away. Everyone's going to go on vacation, enjoy their little profits, and we're going to come right back down here to like 25K, as low as maybe 20K, before then going off and away the next bull run heading into 2024. That is how I see things playing out. So we're still within a range right now. So until we break above 25K, 25.5, we need to get like body closes, not wicks, body closes above this right here. And that to me is the check mark. Once we get above here, start closing above, that to me is the check mark that this move is on its way. That's my thesis. You're free to have your own, but I think that that is what is about to happen. Clean up some of this. I still think we got a sea leg, so I think it'd be possible if this thing keeps rocking. It's gonna have to come back down here. And maybe that's how we go, because the markets tend to go in whatever the most painful way possible is tend to how we go. So literally right now, nobody believes that this was the bottom. Like literally nobody believes it. So this was one of the most hated rallies that I can remember. Respect your take though. I'm open to being wrong. But this is what I think, and I'll show you why I think this. Actually, let me show you why. So here is the 2017 parabolic rise. We went crazy parabolic, 21x, right? Before crashing down 85%. Most of the crashing was done right here. It was like 69%, I believe. Yeah, 69%. Crashed 69%, traded sideways for 300 days. Everyone thought that that was it. Same thing. Big crash down, trading sideways for an extended period of time. Trading sideways for an extended period of time. Everyone thinks that's it. One more leg down. Everyone thinks it's it. One more leg down. Trading in the depths of despair. Crypto's dead. Crypto's stupid. It's going to 10K. trading in the depths of despair. Crypto's dumb. Crypto's stupid. We're going to zero. We're going to 1K. We're going to $100, right? And then within a matter of 40 days, took back all of this painful sorrow. 40 days, took it all back. Same thing. 28 days, took out all of this painful sorrow, depths of despair. Then you come back over here, you roll back over one more time. You roll back over here one more time, and then you go to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement as high as the 702. In this particular case, we hit the 618 almost perfectly. Okay. And on this ride on the way up, everyone's like, rocket emojis. We're going to the moon. Crypto's back, baby. We're going to be so rich. And that's what I think is next. We had the rollover. I think the next move is to the 0.5, which would be 40,000, as high as the 702, which would be 52,000, somewhere in between there. Last time it hit the 618, you're going to see when we're going on the way. If I'm right, you'll see everyone's like, crypto's back. The bull market's back on, baby. I can't believe how rich we're going to be. It's going to be so awesome. We're going to go to Mars. And I'm going to say, no, thank you, my friends. I'm going to go ahead and get off here at the moon because we're going to come crashing right back down to Earth. And in 2018, that is exactly what we did. Well, this was 2020, but same thing. 618, spring in Wyckoff. And if you have a spring, you need to compress a spring before it can shoot up. So that's what that is. This is a spring in Wyckoff before shooting up out of the parabolic way. And I think that that's what's going to happen. After the 0.5, a black swan event, aka a spring, and that's your cue that we're headed to the next bull run. I think that this will play out. This will take the better part of probably till 2024 to play out fully. But this is my macro thesis on the market. And with that, y'all, be like Water says, highest I see it going is 31K. Macro is still trash. Who knows though? Yeah, macro sentiment, but you know what? There's nothing like price to change macro sentiment. You know what I mean? Nothing like new all-time highs to change the sentiment on the stock market and on the economy. But ultimately, right now, we're still just ranging. That's what we're doing right now. We are ranging, and we could just continue to range. We could just continue to range in here for God knows how long, right? Until we get daily closes body above 25.5, this is where we're going to live. We're going to live between 25 and 18, 17,000. That's where we're going to live until we get daily closes above that range. So ultimately, this is cool. This is great. But until we get above here, this is like the last little check mark. Above here, until we get above there, right here, we're just ranging. And if we get above here too, by the way, it's going to happen pretty quickly because this happened quickly. And like crypto is so, and this happened quickly, right? So there's really no like trading range almost at all at this 25 to 40K range. It took us 26 days to just rocket out of there. Same thing. It took us 51 days to crash down. There's really not a lot of trading range between here. So that's why I think if we start getting daily closes above this, like it's not going to be there's not much resistance on the way up. Now, I don't think we're going to live here, and I think we're going to come right back down to this range again. But just technically, I guess there's a little bit right here at 31. I guess that's what you're saying, but not really a lot. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. But that's how things go. We'll probably get stopped out at 31. Hang out there for a little bit. I guess there's a few touches there. But ultimately, this move happened very, very lightning quickly, and this move happened very, very lightning quickly. And that leads me to believe that, before May, I think that this is going to happen. So maybe April, probably April 20th, like 420, like that. Crypto is just hilarious like that. That's probably how it's going to play out, in my opinion. Well, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what coins you guys want to look at. I want to try to start doing these like market closes more often. Yeah, people that bought at 31 will probably sell because finally even. That's a good place to get out. Like, honestly, no joke. I'm going to be selling the majority of my crypto on this ride up right here. I will be selling a lot of my crypto on this ride up here, de-risking, because ultimately I think we're going to come right back down before then going off in the bull market. I don't think we're setting new lows. Anything in the matrix is possible. I don't think we're setting new lows. But this is a good place, in my opinion, to de-risk on any like nonsense that you're in. Any nonsense that you're in, like this is a good place to get out of there. Tony on TikTok says altcoin rally. Not yet, my friend. The alts are pumping though. Especially like Floki. We were very green, but we're kind of like mixed bag. These are Magic, Wemex, and Matic are kind of carrying the market. Most everything is kind of mixed bag though. We're not going to have. It's not going to be an altcoin rally until we get above this 31K. We got to get. I'm not sorry, not 31K. But yeah, there is thin air between 25.5 and 31. We got to get above this. Daily closes above 25.5. That is when this next move for me is a check mark. Do you like DAG consolation? Student of life. It's okay. It's all right. It's nothing nothing too crazy, I guess. Tacky says, see you 32K. I think so. Ultimately, we're still ranging until we get daily closes above 25.5. We're still within this range right here. Let's draw like a. I'll just do it like this, whatever. Ultimately, this is still a range. That's where we're at. We're at the top of the range. Hopefully, we can bust out of here. Hopefully. But ultimately, we're just at the top of the range. I think we're at the top. I think we're going to bust out of here soon. But ultimately, until we do, this is where we're at. When you say sell, do you put the profits in stable coins? That's right, my friend. USDC is the main one. USDC waiting for a pullback. So, how I will be playing it, not how you should be, but how I will be playing it. Any nonsense that I'm in, I'll be selling up here and I'll be de-risking part of my portfolio up here in USDC. And we have a pullback because what goes up must come down. I'll be buying more of my fundamentals, etc. That's how I'll be playing it. Not necessarily how you should, but that's how I will be playing this upcoming. I think this will happen before May, April, May. There's a saying in the stock market: sell in May and walk away. That's how I view what's upcoming. Alonzo says, what do you think of AGIX right now? AGIX has been rocking and rolling. Okay. I already know without even looking at it, it has been pumping. Anytime you have a 1X, a 2X, any of that. Dang it, I didn't mean to add that. Anytime you have a 1X or a 2X, I think it's a good idea to always take a little bit of profit. Little 5 or 10%, never hurt nobody. And we're literally in parabolic territory at the 2618. Like we've had a pullback at the top of its range here. But still, even at this, even at 39 cents is at the lower level of the parabolic. So this is not hopefully you were accumulating, even down here, hopefully you're accumulating even up here. Like, it depends on what your price is, but if your price is, say, 7 cents, call it, you're up 6x. Like, if you're up 6x, you should take out. Did you see my comment? I did not. I did not see your comment, my man. If you're out 6x, it's a good idea to just take one of your X's out and let 5 ride. Non-financial advice, but even from here, you're still up 1.126%. So it's a good idea to take at least like 10% off the table, in my opinion. Because what goes up must come down. Wouldn't be weird to come back. What did you say, Fonzie? ACH. Wow. Rocketed up to the 236. It's a good place to take a little 5 or 10%. Often they get rejected. It doesn't mean that they have to, but often this is a rejection point. Probably come back here and retest this as support. Should be healthy. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 5.15 cents. Max would be 6.9 cents. And if she wants to go parabolic, 32 cents. This May, that's right, for a relief rally, not a new all-time highs. I don't think we're setting new all-time highs probably until 2024. But I think we will have a relief rally for Bitcoin. For Bitcoin as high as the 702 would be 50,000. On the low end, I think it's going to get to about 38,000, somewhere in between there. Probably going to be April. That's my opinion. Magic. Got you. Magic has been one of the biggest movers. It's not a great idea generally. What is Magic? I have no idea. I just saw that it was pumping. It's generally not a great idea to buy it now. What's up? No cap. Bitcoin ACS is king and Loop Network. Bitcoin price prediction, we're still ranging. If we get above 25.5 on a daily, not a wick, on a daily, I think we're going to go to 38,000 before May on the short term. Yeah, there's not enough data on this, my friend. G Rod, this is like literally you're buying at all time highs right now. So for a pullback, probably 147 would be a good place to re-enter. Not enough price prediction or not enough data, excuse me, to really do a what if no close at 25.5? Then we're still ranging. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. I'm here and TikTok. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin. Main it, please. All right, so let me answer his question first. It just says user 711-88084. I don't know who you are, but you have a good question. So right now, as you can see, 25.5 here. So this is just resistance. And I'm going to draw it out for you uh so we can see, okay? So like you can probably clearly see it. Whoops, I dipped below it, but this is a straight line. I'm just showing you guys the range that we're in, okay? Ultimately, we could be anywhere in between here and we're still just in a range. Once we get daily closes above 25, and I mean the body, like maybe like this. Let me make this a little bit cleaner. Let's do yeah, maybe we have something like this, right? It's not looking great. You get the idea. You get a candle, the whole body is above 25.5. Okay. The whole body is above 25.5. That for me is the check mark that this move is on up to 38, as high as 50. But until then, until we get a body close above 25.5, we're still just ranging. And anything in between 25 and 16K is perfectly fine. So I think we can do it. It'd be great to see it, but we're heading into the weekend. We'll see what we do tomorrow. It'd be great. I'd love it. But ultimately, it's great. You love to see pumps like this. Maybe some of your altcoins are going crazy, right? But ultimately, we're just ranging until we get above this right here. We're just ranging. Bitcoin back to no land. That's right. But this is the thing. If we get a daily close above here, guess what? There is thin air between 25.5 and like 30K, like nothing. So that means we're going to rock it up there. Okay. There's a good bit of support or resistance here. So we could hang out there for a little bit. But there's really not too much trading between 25 and 38K. There's really not that much. But yeah, right now we're at the top of the range. And until we get above here, anything between here 25 and 16K is like you're just ranging. You're still just sideways. Can you do Yearn Finance? I got you. All right. Let's do it. Let's get into these. And then on YouTube, Sultan says DASLA. Your boy Ski Bull Ace DET. King Henry. How you been, bro? I've been great, man. Been grinding. The YouTube. This is a decent place to get out of some stuff that you don't believe in, or maybe you're in some nonsense and it's like pumping. This is a good place to take a little bit of profit. But ultimately, until we get out of this range, that's what we're doing. We're just ranging. Now, I think eventually we're going to. And I think that we're headed, all roads are going to lead to 38K on the low end. That's where we're going to go. And the question is, when Bitcoin does do that, what are the altcoins doing? Because as you can see today, like this is the thing, y'all. This is the thing. Real quick, and then I'll do some of your guys' coins. So we had a daily candle. What were we up today on Bitcoin? 12%. That's great. And then Floki's up 60%. So that's the thing. When Bitcoin is rocking and rolling up here to 38K, what are the altcoins going to be doing? That's the question that remains to be seen. Now they're going to crash and burn pretty hard. Like Floki's going to come all the way back down. But what are they going to be doing on this ride up here? I don't know, but as soon as Bitcoin gets 36, 37K, I'm going to start selling. That's me. All right, let's do some of these coins. So DSLA was one of them. Let me try to get them in order here. No, not all of it. All of my nonsense, anything that I'm in that I don't believe in long term, I'll be selling all of that. But probably like maybe like 30%. I can't tell you what to do. I can tell you what I'll be doing, but I can't tell you what to do. All right. I know we had Yearn was first, and then we had Mina. Fucking damn pen, man. All these pens, and none of them work. DSLA, I think. Let me check and make sure I didn't miss anybody. Manju says, "Hey Devin, how are you, my friend? I'm doing well. Just grinding on TikTok, grinding on YouTube, trying to get monetized on YouTube. We're not quite there yet. We got to get the watch time up. But you guys think I'm posting a lot now and streaming a lot now. Wait till I get monetized on YouTube. It's not about the money, but the second I make $1, bro. Because ultimately, when I'm like full time streaming, full time content creator, let's get some of these. My plan is to be doing these market opens, market closes every day. So you guys are gonna have 2 opportunities to get your coins in every day. And then any like big news with Jerome Powell, stream all that, as well as doing like 3 podcasts a week. That's kind of the plan, as well as doing like how to's and just everything that I'm doing now, but more. Joe Dirt says mine isn't pumping. What's not? Your coins? Yeah, like XRP isn't moving. XRP is my biggest bag. All right, automatic rally for Yearn. 1,150. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 4,300. Maximum retracement 5,900. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, which would be crazy. Wait. Excuse me. 59,000. This is where I would take most of my profit on Yearn. Absolutely parabolic would be 285, which would be insane. I don't really see that happening, to be honest. Anything's possible, but 59 would be like more of a reasonable range, in my opinion. All right, Mana is pretty much hanging out at the automatic rally, 92 cents. This would be a good place to take profit. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $2.82. Maximum retracement level $3.94. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, $19. Ocean. DSLA for Yoder says XRP, XLM, Quant, Algo, HBAR, ICX, Sauce, Dover, HST. Yeah, not yet. We will have our time, though. I hold a lot of those coins. Don't worry, my friend. It's the year of Saturn. Those are all Saturn coins. All right. DSLA for Sultane. All right. Nice. Automatic rally 0023. Getting pretty close to that. Not a bad place to take a little bit off the table here. Oh, we got some chicken action over there. I don't know if you guys can hear that. One of my chickens got out. Ocean, I got you, bro. You're after DSLA. Joe Dirt says, love your channel. Thank you, my friend. My goal is to entertain. Firstly, my goal is to educate, and then is to entertain. I want to be your one-stop crypto shop. I got some high-quality videos, and I got some live streams. We got some shorts. We got some funny stuff. We got some serious stuff. We got some TA. Whatever you need, have no fear. Your boy Ski is here. All right. Automatic rally for DSLA is 1.2 cents. Max retracement level 1.7 cents. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, 8 cents. What is your profit price for XRP when Ripple wins? That's right. He said it correctly. I hope to be completely out of the market, except for I'm going to hold 20% forever. Okay. I hope to be completely out of market by $12 outside of my 20% bag forever. Okay. I'll be selling at 88 cents and I'm going to start heavy selling above $5. So anywhere between $5 and $12, I'll be heavy dollar cost averaging out of the market, except for 20% on XRP. I'll hold forever. In case it does want to do all this crazy fantasy stuff that has nothing to do with technical analysis or the charts or anything like that, just because The Simpsons said so, then sure, I'll gladly be wrong and rich. I will gladly be wrong and rich. All right. Hey, thank you for the COVID balls. Oh, that's a funny name. Thanks for the subscription, COVID balls. You're a legend for getting that name. Uh, he's a savage. He's truly a savage. COVID balls is truly a savage, and this is where he belongs. All right, we got MNW, MITX, and next is Ocean. All right. At the 236 here, this is a good place to take a little bit off the table for Ocean. Like, look, I'm going to do the top of the range here. This is why I always advocate for dollar cost averaging. Okay. I know it's boring. I know it's not sexy. I know you're not catching the Lambo wick at the bottom, but check it out. The top of the range, the top, like you're a terrible dollar cost averager, right? The top, bro, you got 130%. Okay. Anytime you get a 1X, take 10% off the table. Now, the retracement level $1, maximum retracement level $1.37. And if she wants to go absolutely parabolic, $6.66. That's where she's going to hit. All right, $6.66. MNW. Monte Paulo Meta MPM at Bitmart. My man has all of it. Morpheus. Morpheus is really rocking here, man. Again, same thing. The top of the range. Just the top of the range, the dollar cost averaging range. Up almost 2x. You're a terrible dollar cost averager and you're up 2x. Okay, this is a good place to take a little bit of profit. At the 382, we tend to get rejected here. Okay, now the next level is going to be $3.14 pie. After that, $4.20. That's crazy. This is this coin is, the Fibonacci's are hitting some funny numbers. And then $21. This coin is I should decode this coin. I should look deeper into this coin because all of the Fibonacci's are like key numbers. $21 is the max parabolic range. Corbett says RDNT. I got you. MITX. All right, we're gonna do a couple more. This is gonna be a shorter stream today, but I'll be back on tomorrow. I'll live stream for a while tomorrow. I got stuffs to do. But I just wanted to get on here real quick for the market close. We're already at the automatic rally for MITX. This is a good place to take profit. Like, again, the same lesson just keeps popping up. the top of the range here. You're a terrible dollar cost averager. You got a 2x. Come on. Retracement level 9 cents. Max retracement level 12 cents. I would take profit here. And if this thing wants to go absolutely parabolic, 66 cents. All right, we're going to do MPM. Then we're going to do RDNT. And then we're going to sign off from here. And I'll be back on tomorrow. I'll be back on for a good bit of time tomorrow. I'll be probably live streaming at least maybe 2 or 3 hours tomorrow. It's going to be a long one. So really going to hang out with y'all tomorrow. Wait, MPM is next. I don't see that one, brother. Distress and Breath. Thank you for the subscription. Yeah, I don't see that one, Can Channel. It's not showing up on mine. RDNT. Not enough data for RDNT. Corbett, so when I do a price prediction, I need a minimum of a year. Okay, so this thing it just dropped like a week ago, 2 weeks ago or something. But you need a minimum of a year to start to be able to recognize trend and Fibonacci's. This is just not enough data for that. Okay. But all right, guys. I'm gonna be on here tomorrow. Probably do market open, maybe. I'm gonna try to get on here by market open, and then I'm gonna do market close too. We'll be hanging out for a while tomorrow. What's your thoughts? Spell 2025 token. Is Bitcoin coming back down? John, we're in a range. Until Bitcoin gets above 25.5 daily body close, not a wick, body close, we're still in a range. Okay. I'll do spell tomorrow, Victor. But let me just show you guys something real quick because this is the market right here. So if you can understand this, you can understand a lot. So look, this is where we're at. We're literally we have a wick, but the body close is right here. But this is the wick. Okay. And so until we get above 25.5, we are in a range. And anywhere between here and here is fine. And that's where we're still going to be hanging out until we get above this. Now, once we get above 25.5, body closes. The next move. Where did my is a retracement up to the 40,000 range, in my opinion. All right. All right, you guys. That is going to be it for this time. I'll be on here tomorrow. I'll be live streaming tomorrow. All my live streams are going to be on YouTube. So there is that. All my live streams are on YouTube. So if you miss them on TikTok or whatever, you can pop over on YouTube. By the way, guys, I did get affiliated with Uphold. If you guys don't have an Uphold account and you want to buy XRP in the United States, Uphold is the way to do that. My link is in my link tree. I will receive a commission with them. I wasn't affiliated with them when I made my XRP video, how to buy XRP, but because I got so much traction, they reached out to me, and I'm now affiliated with Uphold. But I've been using Uphold for years. I've never had any issues with them. And in fact, they have 4% cash back in XRP. So if you guys want to get that, check that out. If you want to help support me and you don't have Uphold and you want to buy XRP or you want to get 4% cash back, I made a video on how to do that. But that is in my description. My YouTube channel is in my description as well. Make sure you subscribe over there. All my live streams, they'll have a matrix thumbnail with the two hands. Those are all my market live streams. They're all on my live videos posted over there. But that's it for this time, you guys. I'll be on here tomorrow. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.